Hello, Happy New Year. I'm Dr. Hamilton Stubbs, and if you are like me, you've made some promises about how you're going to get healthier this year. We're going to try to lose a few pounds, exercise a little more, maybe give up some fast food and not eat so much sugar, maybe cut back on the coffee and go to sleep a little bit earlier. All the things we tell ourselves every year, and by the end of January, most of us have already stopped doing it. Well, this year can be different. What I have done is I've created a roadmap. It's a Christian woman's guide to health and wellness, and I'm giving it away for free on January 5th. It's available at Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. Now, let me tell you why I wrote this book. Last year in 2020, when the pandemic hit, I couldn't go out and exercise. I was like everyone else. I was stuck at home and I just couldn't do the things I used to do. I could go out to a fast food restaurant, and that's what I did. That was the only thing available. I was working long hours and eating fast food. I picked up weight. I went to 157 pounds. What I did was I just decided enough. I don't want to have some of the risk factors for COVID that put me at a category of high risk for severe complications of COVID-19. And one of those is obesity. Some of the others, diabetes and hypertension. These things are controllable. Things like our genetics and our race. I'm African American. African Americans are dying disproportionately. I can't do anything about that, nor do I want to. I am very proud of who I am. But I don't have to carry on with chronic problems like weighing 157 pounds and having a body mass index over 24.9. What I did was change my diet and upped my exercise. I went to my primary care physician for some guidance, but he didn't know. So I started looking at resources. I have access to lots of nutrition resources since training as a nutrition specialist, and I was also doing a weightlifting class at the time that the pandemic occurred in the US. So I've taken all of that, put it together in a book called I Claim Health, A Christian Woman's Guide to Health and Wellness. The book is available on Amazon, and it's also a bit.ly link that I'm going to put below called bit.ly / and then uppercase I and the lowercase claim health. What that book is about is how to claim your health based on 4 things: your diet, exercise, sleep, and faith. These are the things that I think help us to be well-rounded and have a holistic approach to our health. So I hope that you will take advantage of the opportunity to get this book. If you miss it today while it's free, I've made it very affordable for most people at $2.99. This money goes to fund our nutrition ministry. We're teaching our families in our community how to garden. We start with our youth, and they love it. Some young people do not realize that tomatoes don't just show up in the supermarket. So help us out if you have to. Help yourself, and happy 2021.